Hello children, today we are going to start our second chapter from your social science book, It's Early Human. So let's go to start. Good morning students and welcome to my online class. After many days later, we will go to start our social science class, chapter number 2, Early Humans. So let's go to discuss about this chapter. It is said that our planet Earth is more than 4 billion years old. It was around 15 million years ago when man appeared on the earth for the first time. Let us see how early settlements were formed and human life progressed. In the beginning, the early man did not know how to read or write. We all know that early man did not know how to write and how to read. This period stretched over a long period of about 2 billion years. It may be difficult for us to visualize a billion or even a million years. Look at the pictures given below that show how the first human evolved. So, look at this picture carefully, how humans develop by stage. First, initials, we can see from the picture that he looked different at every stage and each stage had a name. In the initial stage, men walk like apes. Initial stage like this one. Initial stage, this called initial stage. And in this initial stage, men walk like apes. Slowly, he learned to stand erect on his feet. Slowly, he learned to stand erect like his feet. His hands were free and he could hold things and also pick and throw things to protect himself. So, gradually he developed. His hands were free, he could hold things and also pick and throw things to protect himself. The remains of human beings have been found in India dating to a period nearly 5 lakh years ago. The study of this ancient evidence of human activity in India reveals the use of stone implements. This is when man used stones to make weapons and tools. So early man used stones to make weapons and tools is called the Stone Age. The entire period may have lasted till as recently as 4000 years ago. The Stone Age can further be divided into 3 periods. So, please remember the Stone Age divided into 3 periods. First one, the Old Age, Paleolithic Age, the Middle Stone Age, Mesolithic Age, and the New Stone Age, Neolithic Age. So, Stone Age can be divided into 3 stages, 3 periods. First one, Old Stone Age, also called Paleolithic Age. The Middle Stone Age is called Mesolithic Age. And last one, the New Stone Age is called Neolithic Age. The Stone Age was followed by the Copper Stone Age, Chalcolithic Age, when humans used stones as well as metal. So, first we discuss about first period. It's called Paleolithic Age. In this Paleolithic Age, this age is also known as hunting and food gathering stage. So, in this stage is called hunting and food gathering. This was the longest part of the prehistory. So, this age was the longest part of the prehistory. It lasted from 5 lakh BC to 10,000 BC approximately. Man, women and children wandered in groups and hunted animals. So, in this Paleolithic age, man, women and children wandered in group and hunted animals. They ate raw food. So, in this first age, people ate raw food. They also gathered food, roots and honey because they did not know to grow crops. They were food gatherers and hunters. They moved from one place to place in search of food and water and lived in rock shelters, caves and on trees. They move from one place to another in search of food or water and live in rock shelter, caves and on trees. They made rough stone weapons to kill animals. Life was indeed difficult for them. The two major achievements of this period were the making tools and discovery of fire. So, the two major achievements in this period, that was making tools and discovery of fire. How can they discover of fire? We discuss later. Now turn in your another page. Now we discuss tools. Flint was used by the early men to make tools. So through flint they can make tools. Hunting during this stage would have been difficult because many animals were much stronger than man. So they devised tools. They found stone and shaped them into hand axes. These were probably used for hunting, digging and cutting. So for them that is not easy to find out the animals and how can they hunted animals. So they use flint and make tools, and through tools like hand axes they can digging, hunting and cutting. They made scrapers and knives with blades and of sharp stone to remove flesh from animal skin. A special type of stone called flint was used. So, special type of stone called flint. Through flint they can use stone. Animals' bones and other stones to make sharp tools. These tools have been found in many places such as Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Mirzapur and Uttar Pradesh and Karnaul in Andhra Pradesh. So, is animal's bone, through animal's bone and other stone were also used to make sharp tools, and it is found in Madhya Pradesh, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh and Karnal in Andhra Pradesh. Second one is fire. Fire was discovered during this period. So, in this first age, Paleolithic age, fire was discovered. Perhaps they rubbed two stones and spark produced. Lighted a few dry leaves lying nearby. It could have also have been a forest fire or a volcanic eruption that gave them access to fire. They might have enjoyed the cooked meat of the dead animals. So probably they looked for a way to make fire. Fire also kept them warm during the winter months. It gave them light at night. Animals could also be scared off with fire torches. So fire was discovered in the first age, and they rubbed two stones and a spark produced lighted a few dry leaves lying nearby. It could also have been a forest fire or a volcanic eruption that gave them access to fire. And when animals see fire, they could also scared off with fire torches. Now, first age discussion was finished, and we are going to start discuss about the second age. It's called Mesolithic age, middle age, also called Mesolithic age. So in this Mesolithic age was a period of transition from the old stone age or new stone age, which lasted from around 10,000 BC about 8,000 BC. In this stage, man continued to hunt and gather food. It was the duty of the woman to clean dead animals, look after babies, collect food from plants, and participate in hunting small animals. Slowly, they learned to tame animals. Dog was the first animal to be domesticated. Then they domesticated goats, sheep, and cattle. So, which animals was first animal was domesticated? So you say dog was the first animal to be domesticated. Then they domesticated goats, sheep, and cattle also. They began to make better tools called microliths. The tool became sharper and more efficient than the earlier tools. So before earlier tools, its microlithic tools is very sharp and more efficient. These were tiny stone pieces used as arrows, and blades which were sharper and more refined than earlier tools. Some Mesolithic sites have been discovered at Degor in Rajasthan. So, in this stage is the transition stage from the old stone age to new stone age, and it's around 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. And in this stage, the dog was first animal to domesticated, and in this stage, microlithic tools was discovered. So in this last part of this video, I have given some points, and it's related. First is Paleolithic age, and second is Mesolithic age. So all of you write down these points in your copies, main points in your copies, and show me your homework in the evening period. And to the later class, I will discuss about the another stage, last stage. So thank you and have a great day ahead.